Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We'll start. Maybe it's 10:01. We'll start. We will take few more problems this time again. So, and then we'll move on to cantilever beams. Okay. The way we made PDF file today, also we'll make PDF file while solving. If you miss some writing or if you write something wrong, you can refer. Did you get last time's class PDFs you might have received, right? So today also we'll try to do that experiment. So let me share my Chrome. Okay. Shall we start? Maybe today I will take 2 examples and then you'll have to solve some examples. So and maybe tomorrow we will move on to cantilever beam and other parts. Okay. So maybe next week I'm going very slow intentionally because if we finish fast, what to do next? So let's take as many as examples possible. So I usually was not deriving the standard expressions which I had derived. So do you remember? So today, before some other people join, we will try to recall. Okay, so what we had derived for the simply supported case. Maybe what was that? So simply supported with point load at the center. Then what we did? Simply supported beam with UDL. Then simply supported beam with some moment couple. And then maybe we also derived, I guess, W point load at A. Do you remember this? Hello? येतोय का आवाज माझा? Yeah. Maybe A and B. Okay, so quickly we'll draw SFD BMD for this. So by the time another 5 minutes, those who come late. So we'll keep on giving such bonus thing. Those who join early, for them I will take some bonus stuff so that people will start early. So we'll have like a comparative diagram of SFD and BMD. So you must remember the standard loading diagram. So do you remember what was the diagram for this case? So let me use red pen. Okay, this, and then this was a W by 2, sorry, by 2, and this will be W by 2. So SFD will be what? W by 2 continued here, and W by 2 minus W is minus W by 2, right? Minus W by 2 and continued here, and minus W by 2 plus W by 2, it will become 0. This is the SFD of this. And then BMD, do you remember BMD? How does that BMD look like? Where will be maximum value? Anyone? BMD. BMD कशी असते या पॉइंट लोड सेंटरला असेल तर किती असते? Do you remember? W by 2 into L by 2. How much it comes? WL by how much? Hello? नाश्ता चालू आहे का सगळ्यांचा? तोंड बंद दिसतंय सगळ्यांचं. WL by 4. WL by 4, it will be at the center again. Okay, and for this case, how does this look like? This will be WL by 2. This will be WL by 2. Audible? आवाज तर येतोय का माझा? येतोय ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then what happens here? It starts with WL by 2. It starts with WL by 2, and thereafter it gradually start reducing. At the center it will become 0, and then that gradually it goes down, to minus WL by 2. So here minus WL by 2 plus WL by 2, it becomes 0. And this becomes a positive, this becomes negative. So this is the SFD diagram for simply supported beam UDL. We have already studied. I'm just taking a recall so that those who are joining late, those who have joined early, in fact, it should not be punishment for them. So that's why I have you all new process next time onwards. So it will be WL square by 8. So you must remember maximum BM for this case, max BM for this case is WL by 4. For this case, max BM is WL square by 8. In this case, what happens? It is like this will form negative couple, right? Because this is going anti-clockwise. This will form clockwise. Sorry, this is going clockwise, so this will form anti-clockwise, and this will be, I guess, M by L, and this will be also M by L. And then what happens here? SFD will look like this downward M by L, and then this will continue up to here, and this will also be M by L. So negative SFD. And in this case, what will be the BMD? BMD, you can start from this side. M by L is pushing upwards, so it is M by L into up to this. If we take M by L into B, it will be M by L into B. Okay, M by L into, I'm sorry, what is that? M by L, that is MB by L. Okay, and this side, if you want, it will be M by L into A. I'm pushing downward, that's why negative. So this side, it will be M by L into A, that is MA by L. And then this will be connected, and this diagram looks like this. So negative and positive. What about this? It will be, this is similar case of this, so little complicated. Okay, so in this case, it will look like same. So it will be, this will be, I guess, WB by L, right? And this will be WA by L, okay? And then what will be the SFD diagram look like? Here it goes WB by L, continued up to this. This is again WB by L, suddenly drops down to WA by L, continues up to this and this, so plus and minus. So please remember, only this theoretical part you can mug up. Otherwise you should know the procedure, okay? If you don't know procedure, we have already solved, check your notebook. So it will be WA by L into B. So this will create maximum bending moment. What is the maximum bending moment? Do you remember in this case? Anyone? WAB by L. WAB by L. That's what we have studied. So let's stop for this revision part, maybe, and then we will take one problem. So today I will solve two problems, and then you can solve some problems, right? So maybe I will take another simply supported beam case. Okay, so this is a simply supported beam, and maybe what we will do is we will have some partial UDL we have not taken. So we'll take, what we will take is maybe partial UDL here, some point load here, and maybe we will take anti-clockwise movement. Usually we have been taking clockwise movement. Now we will take anti-clockwise movement. So this UDL, let us say 30 kilonewton per meter. This point load is 50 kilonewton, and this couple is, let's say, 20 kilonewton meter. Okay, have you understood what are the points? A, B, maybe C, C, D, E, and F, right? Little complicated, covering everything. So sometimes in exam it will be a lot simpler. 2 meter, this distance could be, let's say, 1 meter. This could be 3 meter. This could be 2 meter. And this is 1 meter. Okay. So this is how we have. Any doubt in this diagram? काय शंका आहे का? समजलं कसा प्रॉब्लेम आहे? Okay, so then we will go ahead and what is step 1? Do you remember? Step 1. What is step 1?
Reaction calculation.
Very good. So even though you know it, you keep saying it. So reaction calculations. Only 3 steps are there. And fourth one is the drawing SFDBM. You can say 4 steps. Okay. Reaction calculation. So how do we calculate reaction? So reaction calculation is, first we have to apply summation of EFV is equal to 0. So what will be EFV equal to 0? RA plus RF, RA plus RF. Then whether this 20 will come in reaction calculation? No, because it's not reaction, but sorry, it is not vertical force, but it is a rotational force. So it's a moment, and that's why it will not come into picture. What about this 30? It will come. So it is downward. So 30 into 3, and then this 50 minus 50 is equal to 0. And that gives us RA plus RF is equal to how much it comes? 90 plus 50, that is 140 kilonewton, 140 kilonewton. So this is called as a equation number 1. So similarly, we'll get equation number 2, that is summation of M at A equals to 0. So we are taking moment about A, and then what happens? Let's say minus how much RF? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 2, 8, 1, 9. So 9 RF minus 9 RF, this is going anti-clockwise. So 50 is going clockwise. So plus 50 into how much? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8 into 8 plus, please pay attention to this UDL. Some of you are not aware how to take this UDL. So how do we take UDL? Actually, you have to take the UDL into this distance. You have to see something like this, right? You have to see UDL like a box. Okay, and then so first of all, load coming because of this box is nothing but area under this box, right? And then where it acts? Then it acts at the CG center, or because rectangle has CG at the center. Okay, I hope I made it clear. So it will become 30 into 3 is a load acting, and where it will act? It will act somewhere at the center here, somewhere center here, and we are taking moment about A. So we have to measure distance from A of this center of this UDL. So how much will be there? This 2 plus this 1 plus this 3 by 2. Is it clear? So please pay attention. I'm teaching very, very slowly. 2 plus 1, because इथून ते इथपर्यंतचं अंतर पाहिजे. We want distance between CG of this UDL, CG of this is center, and I'm taking moment at A, moment about A. So I have to measure distance from A to this CG. So this is 2 plus this is 1 plus this is total 3, so 3 by 2. So it comes as a 3 plus 1.5. 3 plus 1.5 is 4.5. 3 plus 1.5 is 4.5. Is it clear? पहिल्यांदा काही लोक फर्स्ट इयर मधले विसरले असले तर you can understand this way. Now anything missing? One more load is remaining, right? Whether this 20 will come into picture, yes or no? Okay, so whether it is positive or negative, it's going anti-clockwise. It is going anti-clockwise, so it will be minus 20. It will create minus 20 is equal to 0. And if you do that rearrangement, so you get RF is equal to, किती येते RF is equal to, can you do the calculation? How much it comes? Everyone please take out notebook, pen, paper. I don't know why people are. Do the calculations. How much RF value comes?
$785. 87.22.
How much it comes?
0.22.
87.22 kilonewton. Okay, 87.22 kilonewton, that's our second equation. And if you substitute in this equation number 1, you get RA is equal to how much? 140 minus 87.22. How much it comes? Something 0.88, right? How much something 0.88? 52.78.
52.78.
Okay, 52.78. 52.78. 52.78. So let me erase this part and then copy. Okay, so let me mark the loads. What we got, RF is equal to 87.22, and this one I got as a 52.78 kilonewton. Okay, now let me copy this diagram and take it forward so that we can go to the step number 2. What is step number 2?
SF calculation.
SF calculation. SF calculation. Okay, good. I have copied. So let me go to the pane. Okay. So step 2 will write step 2 SF calculations. Okay. SF calculation. So as you are aware, we have to start from A to F. From where we have to start? A to F. So you can say here SF at A equals to, how much is SF at A? It is upward. So as we have done earlier, we can write upward. So plus 52.78. It is upward. So plus 52.78 kilonewton. I have told last time, simple method. So up to B, it is 52.78. Any change will happen because of this moment in SF? Sorry, any change will happen in SF because of this moment 20 kilonewton meter? काय चेंज होईल का? का तेवढीच व्हॅल्यू राहील तिथं पण? हॅलो, सेम व्हॅल्यू. एनी अदर आन्सर? सोनाली निकम, अंजुम, तुम्हाला काय सांगायचंय? सूरज झवेरी, अभिषेक खटके, सेम व्हॅल्यू राहील की बदलेल? मुवमेंटचा इफेक्ट होतो का व्हर्टिकल कॅल्क्युलेशन मध्ये? नो. ठीक आहे. म्हणून SF at B also will see, SF at B will also be what? Plus 52.78. That is, I can add plus 0. Momentचा इफेक्ट काय झाला? 0 झाला. 52.78 च राहिली. Then SF at C. What will be SF at C? SF at C, तिथपर्यंत पण काहीच नाहीये म्हणून plus 0. So nothing is there. So it will be 52.78. SF at C is also how much? Plus 52.78 kilonewton. Any doubt? काय शंका आहे का कोणाला? Okay, then SF at D. How much will be SF at D? Who will tell me? SF at D will be how much? SF at D will be how much? कसं करायचं SF at D करताना? आता UDL आलंय, काय करायचं? काय मायनस करायचं? 52.78 इथं आहे तो तसाच घ्यायचा, 52.78 ऐसे लेने का. Minus what you will subtract from that? 30 into 3, right? So minus what you will have to do? 30 is UDL and it is acting on how much distance? 3 meter distance. So 52.78 minus how much? 90. How much it comes?
37.22.
Minus 37. Minus 37.22 kilonewton. Can you conclude something from this point? Can you comment something? What is happening between C and D? What is happening between C and D? Please pay attention. गणित सुटना महत्वाचं नाही. Things you should learn during this example. That's my purpose. It's not important that you will able to solve, but you should grasp things from this. एखाद्याला प्रॉब्लेम येतो पण काय त्यात गोष्ट शिकलो हेच कळत नाही. What is happening between C and D? Who will tell me? Between C and D, what is happening? I'm waiting. You can unmute. You can tell me. Hello. काय होतंय? SF at C किती आहे? SF at D किती आहे बघा. We had discussed already. SF at C, what value is there? सृष्टी जाधव सांगता येईल का किती व्हॅल्यू आहे SF at C? शियर फोर्स at C किती आहे? शियर फोर्स at D किती आहे? What will you काहीतरी अंजुम बरोबर काहीतरी सांगतायत. UDL कन्वर्ट इनटू पॉइंट लोड. ते करायचं नाही बरं का, तुम्ही जे चुकीचं शिकलाय ते पॉइंट लोड करू नका. UDL पॉइंट लोड मध्ये कन्वर्ट. संकेत जे फर्स्ट इयर मध्ये तुम्ही शिकलाय, प्लीज डी लर्न दॅट इज रॉंग कन्सेप्ट टेम्पररीली टॉट टू यू. सो डोंट कन्वर्ट UDL इनटू पॉइंट लोड. यू विल गो रॉंग. संकेत समजलं का तुम्हाला? प्रत्येक जण ऐकताय काय? आर यू लिसनिंग? UDL converting into point load is wrong. UDL is not point load. That's why it's UDL. Are you getting it? It is a distributed load. It's not a point load. No, my point is what is happening between C and D. We have discussed. Here it is plus 52.7. Here it is minus 37.22. So means what is happening between C and D? Anyone? मॅक्स BM म्हणतायत निकिता भागवत. गुड पॉइंट. पण अजून आपण BM मध्ये नाही, SF मध्येच आहे. SF पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू न सांगा काय होतं SF निकिता? आपण SF कॅल्क्युलेट करतोय, तुम्हाला BM ची कुठून कळलं? हाऊ डू यू कॉमेंट दॅट max BM point you will get? Answer is correct, but we get at center. No, that's wrong. Center ला येत नाही. What do you get between positive and negative? One side there is a positive value plus 52.78. Other side there is a negative value 37.22. This is beam. So while going like this, you touch to what value of SF? किती येते मध्ये त्या दोघांच्या मध्ये? SF ची व्हॅल्यू किती येते? 0. इतकं सोपं आन्सर होतं. इतका वेळ आपण लावला. किती आन्सर येते मध्ये? त्या दोन्ही पॉझिटिव्ह कडे निगेटिव्ह कडे किंवा निगेटिव्ह कडून पॉझिटिव्ह कडे जाताना कोण भेटतो? कसंही मारा लाईन ह्याच्यावरती. ही 0 लाईन आहे ना. दिस इज 0 लाईन. So either you go from negative to positive or positive to negative. Can you go without touching this zero line? Is there any method? तुम्ही म्हणला सर वळण घेऊन जातो, वळण घेऊन जरी गेला तरी, so you will touch to zero line. It doesn't matter sometimes whether it is linear curve or parabolic or cubic, but when it goes from negative to positive, it is going to give us zero SF. So how do you find zero SF? Last time I have told you. So in this equation only this 3 value we have added. So instead of 3 we have to put X. So we will write here, let us find zero SF location. Zero SF location from where? From which point? 3 कुठून मोजले आपण हो? From which point? From which point? 3 कुठून मोजलंय? Whether it is from A or whether it is from C. 3 meter distance in this calculation. Is it taken from C or is it taken from A?
C.
C, from C. So if you put that here in this equation, so you get 52.78. You continue writing like this, huh? My page is over, so I am starting now here this side. Okay, 52.78 minus 30 into 3 is there. From where? C. So instead of 3, what I will do? I will put X is equal to 0. That will give me X value. So you can put X is equal to how much? How much? 52.78 divided by 30. How much it comes?
1.75.
1.75. Is it center? Is it center? कोण तर मागा सेंटर म्हणत होता. सेंटरला येते का 0 व्हॅल्यू?
No, sir.
थांबा, कोण म्हणलं होतं मी बघून सांगतो. कोण म्हणलं होतं सेंटरला येते? हा, निकिता. निकिता, समजलं का तुम्हाला? Have you understood?
हा सर.
So it is not at the center. When it will come center, centerला पण येते. कोण सांगेल मला? When it will come at the center, centerला पण येऊ शकतो. When it will come at the center. आपल्या मागच्या डायग्राम मध्ये सेंटरला चालते SF. बघायचं का तुम्हाला? Let us show you some other diagram. Where it was? Yes, here. Can you see in this UDL what is happening? It is coming at the L by 2. है ना? इथं ही डायग्राम दिसते का तुम्हाला? Can you see this? So SF is coming 0 at the center only, L by 2. Now can you comment कधी येऊ शकते सेंटरला आणि कधी येऊ शकत नाही सेंटरला? एव्हरीथिंग वी हॅव टू गो ऑन अनालायझिंग. कधी येते सेंटरला? ही डायग्राम कसली आहे? हॅलो, विचार करा, डोक्याला ताण द्या. If you have to qualify competitive exam, you have to keep on doing these observations. कसलं स्ट्रक्चर आहे? UDL असं काही नाही, असं काही नाही. इथं पण आली सेंटरला. यात आणि यात सिमिलॅरिटी ह्या दोघात. इथं पण आली सेंटरला, पण इथं नाही आली सेंटरला. Here it is, here SF value is 0 at the center. Here SF value is not at center. Why? No, UDL is acting on, no, in point load is also it is coming at the center. संकेत म्हणतायत UDL acting on beam आहे म्हणून. आताच आपण कॅल्क्युलेशन केलं ते पॉइंट लोड आहेच ना, पण सेंटरला नाही आली. सेंटर त्याचा कुठं होतं? 1.5 ला, बट आन्सर वी गॉट इज 1.75. कधी येते सेंटरला आणि कधी येत नाही सेंटरला? अजून 1 मिनिट आपण ताणूया. थिंक. इतकं सोपं ऑब्झर्वेशन. ह्या दोन्हीत सिमिलॅरिटी काय?
अरे रिएक्शन सेमच.
नो, इथं W/2 W/2 आहे. इथं WL/2 WL/2 आहे. थोडं अंतर आहे सांगितलेलं. अजून रिफाईन करा. रिएक्शन सेम कुठल्या रिएक्शन सेम? कसलं स्ट्रक्चर आहे? सिमेट्रिक स्ट्रक्चर आहे. What kind of structure is this? It is called as a symmetric structure. Can you see? Load is applied symmetrically. Means can you tell me vertically I am symmetric or horizontally I am symmetric? My body. कोण सांगेल? तसं इंटरनल जाऊ नका. एका बाजूला हार्ट आहे, दुसरीकडे नाहीये. नाही म्हणणार सरांना 2-2 हार्ट कोणी दिले? Hello. Can you understand? Symmetry means what? So this side I have eye, this side I have, this side here, this side here. This is hand, this is hand. This like limbs are almost same. So I am vertically symmetric, means about y axis, but about x axis I am not symmetric, and internally also I am not symmetric. Is it clear? When the structure is symmetric, you can take it, everything will come as a center. Okay, am I making some point clear to you? Shall we go ahead? Okay, so x is equal to 1.75. 1.75. Okay, now what we will do is we will so then you can put x is equal to 1.75 where SF is 0. Now we will go to D point. D already calculated. Let us go to E point. So SF at E, SF at E will be, we have to start again from D. Don't go to here 0. So from D, so at D how much it is? Minus 37.22. Minus 37.22. So SF at E before point load, we will do here two things. Okay, before point load will be same, that is minus 37.22. Okay, and after point load it will be plus 50. It will be after point load, it is plus 50. So how much it comes? Minus 37.22 plus 50 is equal to how much it comes? Hello, plus
12.78.
Did I make mistake or correct? Is it this sign should be plus or minus? 50चं साइन चुकलं माझं. बरोबर आहे का? 50 डाउनवर्ड आहेत, म्हणजे काय पाहिजे होता?
Negative.
Negative. So I made mistake. Please pardon me. So plus 50 should have been there. Okay, so minus 37.22 minus 37.22 minus 50 is equal to how much it comes?
Minus 87.22.
How much? Minus 87.
87.
कुणी अंदाज लावेल का मागाचं कॅल्क्युलेशन चुकलं, हा मला अंदाज कसा आला? How did I guess my answer that calculation was wrong? How did I come to know? SF at E after PL point load will be minus 37.22 minus 50. कसं कळलं मगा मला माझं प्लस घ्यायचं ते चुकलंय म्हणून? I was going naturally adding plus. So how did I come to know? 12 answer आलं, पण त्या 12. So after this there is a plus, this one, so we should nullify. If that answer and this answer was not matching, then I have done something wrong. So you can write SF at F is equal to minus 87.22 plus 87.22 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. काय शंका आहे का? Yes. निकितानी बरोबर लिहिलं. लास्टला SF at F0 यायला पाहिजे होतं, ते येत नव्हतं, त्यामुळे तुम्ही मेळ घातला, चुकलं वाटलं तुम्हाला. गुड, छान. देन RF ची व्हॅल्यू कॉन्स्टंट. ठीक आहे, छान. सम ऑफ यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग. आय रिक्वेस्ट एव्हरीवन टू पार्टिसिपेट. तुम्ही मराठीत बोललं तरी चालेल, आय डोंट माइंड इट, बट कीप टॉकिंग. मध्येच सर हॅलो हाय तर करत चला, काही लोक बोलत नाहीत. केतन, माऊली, आकाश, श्रद्धा, शुभम सर कस काय बरं आहे का वगैरे बोलत चला. स्वप्नील, बोकाटे, धोपटे, यश, वीरेश कुमार कांबळे तुम्हाला समजतंय का? सूरज झवेरी. Any doubt up to this point? If no, then I will go ahead and start the BMD calculation. आकाश आम्हाला आवाज ऐकू द्या तुमचा. टाईपच करताय. येऊ द्या काय करत येतोय आवाज कधी कधी. चालतंय तेवढं पण आवाज तर येऊ द्या. ठीक आहे. हॅव यू फिनिश राईट अप? लिहून झालं का सगळ्यांचं? Or do you want me to give some time for writing? Those who have finished, please check how this process we took place. And this here I forgot to write. Here minus 87 and plus 87.22, it becomes 0. Okay. परीक्षेत असं लिहू नका, हे दुकानाच्या यादीने होत आहे. This is just for our calculations. Shall I go ahead? झालं का तुमचं लिहून? Okay. Now third step. What is third step? Step 3. What is step 3? BM calculations. BM calculations. Okay. Bending moment calculations. So how do we do that? We start from F to A. We start BM calculation from F to A. BM at F equal to, how much is bending moment at F? I am not going to solve. I am tired now. You have to solve. Tell me bending moment at F. How much? 87.22 into how much? 87.22 into 0, 0. Very good. So it will be bending moment at F is equal to 0. Chalo, bending moment at, I'm going to solve very slow. Bending moment at E is equal to. So how do you get bending moment at E? You will have to take section at E. If I take section at E, how does this section will look like? So it will look like something like this. Okay. So here it is 87.22. इकडचा तुकडा घ्यायचा ईच्या इकडचा. त्यात 50 येत नाही का, तर तुम्ही म्हणणार 50 येत आहे पण 50 into 0 येत आहे, त्यामुळे त्याला नाही घेतलं तरी चालतंय. सो 87.22 into इथं काय होणार 1. इथे डिस्टन्स आहे 1. अँड वेदर इट इज पॉझिटिव्ह ऑर निगेटिव्ह? 87.22 into 1. Whether it is positive or negative. Anti-clockwise चाललंय, निगेटिव्ह म्हणणार का आपण? Anyone please comment. How do we get the signs? Can you see my picture? When hands are going up, positive. That's called as a sagging sign convention. When my hands are going down, it's called as hogging. It's a negative. So what is this case? It's a sagging case. That's a beams are being pushed upward. Beam वरती push केला जातोय आणि म्हणून what is the sign here? So it will be positive. So it comes as a 87.22 kilonewton meter. Okay. Then let us go ahead and take section at D so that you can get BM. So you have to forget about this previous section. Okay. Previous section you have to forget. Okay. So then we took the section at D. So what happens if I take section at D? So it will be something like this. So here in this case 50 is also coming into picture. So here at D, here 2 meter, D to E 2 meter. This is 1 meter, here 50 kilonewton and here 87.22. 87.22. Okay. Then what you can do is you can find out BM at D is equal to, BM at D is equal to 87.22 into 2 plus 1, 3. So is it positive or negative? 87.22 into 3, is it positive or negative? Beam is pushing upward, so positive. And then yes, 50 into 2 is positive or negative? 50 into 2 is positive, negative, because it is pushed downward. So it is 50 into 2 is negative. 50 into 2 is negative. So what is the answer? 87.22 into 3 minus 50 into 2. That is, what is the answer? Someone has helped me. So that's a 161.66.
161.66.
Correct. So let us, any other answer? A 161.66 kilonewton meter. So we have calculated bending moment at F, bending moment at E, bending moment at D, and bending moment at C we can calculate. But before that, we can mark one more point. A, B, C, D, E, F, G we will say. Okay. So that point we will call it as a G point. Somewhere here we will mark. Okay. 1.75. What is that point? Distance between C and Z is 1.75. Okay, what is that point? G point. काय तो G point? कुठून आलं हे 1.75? Do you remember? Last example we had found the point SF is 0 at 1.75 mm. Sorry, 75 meter from C. Okay, do you remember that point? आठवतं का? मागं जावा. आपण, मी पण जातो, तुम्ही पण जावा. कुठला पॉइंट होता तो? काय म्हणलो त्याला आपण? इथं होता है ना. Let us find the zero SF location from C, and then we did this and we found x is equal to 0. कशामुळे? SF 0 असणारा point. So we found the point where SF was 0. The point where SF was 0. And that point, what will happen? काय होतं when SF is 0? When SF is 0, पूर्ण करा वाक्य. Complete my sentence. When SF is 0.
BM is maximum.
BM is maximum. Please, प्रत्येक जण तोंड उघडा, माउस, mic उघडा. Everyone, please keep shouting. This is our 5th, 6th lecture maybe. Still you guys are not responding, not remembering. Everyone, mic उघडा, तोंड उघडा आणि म्हणा, when SF is 0, BM is maximum. When SF is 0, BM is maximum. When SF is 0, BM is maximum. कुणाला प्रश्न नाही का पडला उलटा? When BM is maximum or BM is 0, काय होईल? सध्या उलट नाहीये माहिती. BM, when BM is maximum, SF is 0 could be possible. Okay, but not guaranteed. असं होत नाही बरं का? When BM is 0, SF is maximum होत नाही. त्याला वेगळा concept. I will study that after some time. So let us go to the, आता आपण what we will find? Max BM we will find out. Maximum BM is at 1.75 meter from C. So we'll take that section. So if we will take this side only, because that side you can take the other side also, doesn't matter. But here it looks to me little simpler because you have been doing calculation. So 50 and then UDL, and this is 50, correct? And here UDL is partially coming. How much? 1 point. Sorry, we are taking section at Z. So how much this distance will come? From C to G is 1.75. So remaining distance will be how much?
1.25.
1.25. How did you calculate, sir? How did you calculate that 1.25? I am not clear. Can you explain to our friends? How did you calculate 1.25? It is 3 minus
3 minus
3 minus
1.75.
1.75. It's a 3 minus. Total is 3 and up to this, but we are taking section here, and that's why it will be 1.25 meter. Okay. Now we have to take movement at this location. So if we take that, so 87.22 into how much? 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4.25. It is plus or minus? It's obvious plus going up. This 50 is going down. 50 into how much? 2 plus 1.25, it's a 2.25, and then UDL. UDL is again negative because it's going downward. So minus how much? UDL is 30 kilonewton per meter. So 30 into 1.25 into 1.25 by 2 is equal to how much it is? Whether it's positive, negative.
सर
Ah,
50 into 3.25 था ना
50 into, correct, 3.25. I'm sorry. 50 into 3, 2 plus 1.25, 3.25. Correct. Correct. So what is the answer? शुभम भागवत विचारतायत. शुभम काही पार्ट तुम्ही ऐकायचा मिस केला. 3/2 सेंटरला ऍक्ट नाही होतो शुभम. आपण मागच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये एसएफ कुठं मॅक्सिमम येतं? जिथं एसएफ व्हॅल्यू 0 येते तिथं. सेंटरला नाही. मी रिपीट केलं, सेंटरला कधी येतं? जर स्ट्रक्चर सिमेट्रिक असेल तर. हे स्ट्रक्चर सिमेट्रिक आहे का? नाहीये, कारण इकडं हे 50 आहे तर इकडं 50 पाहिजे असलं असतं, आणि ते पण त्याच डिस्टन्स वरती. येते का लक्षात? म्हणून आपण असा पॉइंट शोधला जिथं एसएफ 0 आहे, आणि तो किती आला तर सी पासून 1.75 वरती. इथं आपण कॅल्क्युलेशन केलीत की मागं जावा तुम्ही. इथं आपण बघा, इथं आपण पाहिलं ना, त्याच्यावरती बरंच डिस्कशन झालं. परत एकदा तुम्ही डोक्यात सेंटरलाच घेतलंय. सेंटरला नाही. एसएफ व्हॅल्यू कुठं 0 येते तर या सी आणि डी च्या मध्ये कुठंतरी 0 येते. मग ते कुठंतरी 0 येते कसं शोधलं आपण? 52.78 मायनस 30 इंटू एक्स. मग त्या लाईन मध्ये कुठं तर माझा 0 येणार, इक्वल टू 0 केल्यानंतर मग तो पॉइंट मला मिळाला जिथं एसएफ 0 आहे. शुभम भागवत समजलं का तुम्हाला? आणि तो पॉइंट म्हणजे मॅक्सिमम बेंडिंग मुवमेंट असणारा पॉइंट. तो पॉइंट म्हणजे मॅक्सिमम बेंडिंग मुवमेंट असणारा पॉइंट. क्लियर आहे? Okay, how much this comes? Someone has answered already. 184.74, or we'll write 75. 184.75. It's a plus, right? It's a plus 184.75 kilonewton meter. Now let's go to the B point. B point. B point, now there is a movement couple. In bending moment, when there is a movement couple, you have to remember at one location there will be two bending moments. At one location there will be two bending moments. So that is before couple and after couple. Before couple and after couple. So if we take this section at B, so good section will be A side because it's a small calculation. So what we will take? We'll take section B at B just left of the couple, and then we will take section just right of the couple. Okay, so we'll say before couple. So BM at B before couple फ्रॉम ए म्हणतो, कारण तुमचं बिफोर कपल फ्रॉम एफ पण असू शकतं अँड फ्रॉम ए पण असू शकतं. सो लेट अस टेक बिफोर कपल फ्रॉम ए. So what will happen then? 52.78, and it is acting at 2. So how much it comes? It will be positive plus 52.78 into 2. How much it comes? 52.78 into 2. It comes 105.6, right? 105.6 kilometer. Okay. Then after couple, what will happen after couple? So it will remain 52.78 as it is, and then there will be couple will also come. I'm sorry, couple is going which direction? Couple is going anti-clockwise direction. Okay, couple is going anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so you have to stand here. Okay, you have to stand here. Okay, now you tell me BM at B after couple will be plus 52.78 into 2. Now this moment couple will create positive sign or negative sign. बरंच कन्फ्युजन आहे. ते वर बीम वर पुश करतंय की खाली पुश करतंय समजेना झालंय. Who will guide me? Whether beam is being pushed upward or downward? विचार करा पटापटा पटापटा. Because of couple I am asking. Positive 52.78 is creating positive. So think 52.78 creating positive is going which direction?
Upward.
Upward and clockwise. Upward and clockwise. And then this moment couple, we are not able to guess whether it is pushing upward or downward. So you have to see from the 52.78 point of view. 52.78 is pushing upward. That is clearly seen. Okay. And it is going which direction? Clockwise direction. Whereas this moment couple is going anti-clockwise. एक clockwise जाणार आणि anti-clockwise जाणार दोन्हीला signs same असेल का? Is it possible to have same sign?
No, sir.
No.
No.
So that's why that couple is going to create opposite sign. It's obvious. इथं तर कळलं logically by common sense. Is it clear? Now you tell me physically how it looks like. Then I will show you little bit here. So at this point you may think it is touching like this, but it is not like that. If you see here, जिथं 52.78 act होतं तिथं फिरवून आणायचा. So it is pushing what? Downward. It is pushing what? Downward. Can you see that? So you may see here it is like a pushing, but we are taking section after that. And that's why it has to complete the rotation and then we have to see. And when such confusion is there, simple way of looking is what? कसं बघायचं साधं? जो आपल्याला कळतंय, ज्याचं आपल्याला कळतंय, the things which are we can easily understand, that is 52.78 is pushing upward and going, pushing upward and going which direction? Clockwise. Means in this case clockwise is becoming positive. Clockwise is becoming positive. Okay. And then this is going anti-clockwise. That means there must be opposite sign. There must be opposite sign. How much is that couple? 20. So it will be minus 20. How much is that then? It will come 105 minus 20. How much it comes? 95.
85.
85.6 kilonewton meter. Is it clear? Is it clear? And obviously, I don't have space here. You can write Bm at A is equal to 0. Bm at A is equal to 0. Please write down slowly. You can say, sir, मग clockwise ला जातंय म्हणजे positive मी आधीच म्हणत होतो की असं काही नाही आणि anti clockwise ला जातंय हे negative. पण इथं बघा हे कसं चाललंय अँटी क्लॉकवाईज ला चाललंय तरी पॉझिटिव्ह आहे म्हणजे आपल्याला क्लॉकवाईज अँटी क्लॉकवाईज साइन कन्व्हेन्शन इथे येत नाही पण एका फ्रेम वरती when we have to bring it on one frame when beam is being pushed upward is clockwise then if we are not sure about that movement couple whereas that movement couple creates confusion and that's why what you have to see some other load what it is creating the other load is creating clockwise positive and this couple is going anti-clockwise then signs will be different. Clear, right? Write down. When you finish, let me know. झालं का लिहून? Shall we go to last step of it? That is drawing the SFD BMD diagram. SFD BMD diagram. Okay. So now someone has to help me because I can't see the values. So you'll have to help me to tell these values, right? Okay. Let me now mark the some straight lines. Okay. So can you see all the points I have marked? Maybe one point I will delete. This point is we will get it afterwards, right? We don't know where it will come, right? So let me go to the, okay. Which diagram? ESF diagram. Okay. So how much is ESF value at A? Who will tell me? Please look at your notebook and tell me. How much is ESF at A?
52.78.
52.78. Okay. Keep reading. ESF at B will be also same, right? 52.78. Up to C it is remaining same. So it will create horizontal straight line. Okay. ESF at D. How much is ESF at D?
37.22.
37
Minus.
minus, right? It's important. Sign is very important. 37.22. Okay. So what will be connection between 52.78 and 37.22?
Incline.
Inclined.
Inclined straight line. Okay. And how much this distance we have calculated? 1.75. These are important
75.
point. You have to mark 1.5. Can anyone help me without doing that 52.78 minus 30x? Can I calculate this 1.75 without using that equation? Any other method? Trigonometric? Is it possible? येतंय का तुम्हाला? गंमत म्हणून सांगतो, बघा जमतंय का घरी करून बघा. किती एक बाजूची व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे आपल्याला 52.78. अदर बाजूची व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे किती आहे? 37.22. And when you will connect this, okay, you want this as a x and total distance किती आहे? 3 आहे. म्हणजे this will become 3 minus x. मग ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक सिरीज कशी लावणार? x ला 52.78 तर 3 minus x ला 37.22. And if you solve this, you will also get same answer. Little complicated. Okay. Next, ESF at E. How much is ESF at E? Before E. So it should be same, right? Before 50 kilonewton, how much it is? 37.20. Oh, 37.22. Suddenly 50 kilonewton is applied. How much it comes? 87 point. How much it comes? 87.22 and continued here. And then what happens? 87.22 minus plus 87.22, how much it comes? 0.
0.
So you have to connect 0. काय शंका आहे का? ही एसएफडी कुणाकुणाला समजली? हात वर करा. कसं करणार हात वर? हा चॅट मध्ये येते बघा. काही लोकांना येते का बघा. वा वा छान. संकेत, गौरी, निकिता, पूनम. हात वर करायला येते का? म्हणजे समजलं तर करा, नाहीतरी बटन दाबायला सांगितलंय सरांनी. गुड 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 गुड. थँक्यू. हे पण छान आहे. Okay, so let's go to the next. This is called as SFD. We have finished the SFD. Now we know this point, 0 SF point. So let me mark that line also below here, right? So, yeah. So let me take a straight line. Okay, right. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw the next diagram, that is called as bending moment diagram. So from where to where we draw? From which side to which side? F to A we draw. F to A we will draw, right? Okay. So SF BM at F is how much? 0. BM at E is how much?
87.22.
57 or 87?
87.
87. 87.22. And connection between this 0 and this is parabolic or inclined straight line? Inclined straight line. Why inclined straight line? Because these are point loads. Okay. Now bending moment at D. How much is bending moment at D?
161.66.
16.
161.66.
60.
Can someone type here? Type in chat window. I'm not able to listen. Can someone keep repeating and someone keep typing? 161.66. Okay, good, fairly good. So 161.66. So that's a 1 point. So let me connect here. It will be again inclined straight line. Please pay attention, inclined straight line. Now at this point, one not center, कोणतर center म्हणत असेल तर चुकीचं आहे. इकडून 1.75. From this side it is 1.75. From this side it is at 1.25. How much is that? That is max BM. इथं max BM आलंच पाहिजे. Must come. How much is max BM value?
184.748.
184.748. Okay, so 184.748. And then what is BM value at C? BM value at C. Bending moment at C. Bending moment at C. काढलं नाही का आपण? Have we forgotten or what? विसरलोय का? Maybe max काढण्याच्या नादात. Bending moment at C we have forgotten. Na? So we will calculate here. I will calculate here. And you can write there. How to calculate bending moment at C? You have to take section at C. Okay, we'll take section at C and A side will be simpler one. Okay, so I will take section at C and A side. So 52.78, and this is the 21. What is that? 20. Okay, and then this is C point, and This is 2 and this is 1. So how much will be bending moment at C? BM at C is equal to 52.78 upward into 2 plus 1, 3. And then this 20 is pushing downward. So minus 20. So how much it comes? 52.78 into 3 minus 52.78 into 3 minus 20 is equal to
138.34.
138.34. काय करायचं का?
टाइम काय?
11.7. And this value is 138. So it should be, here it is 161. So it should look smaller than this because 161 is bigger. So you can write 138.634. Okay. So now how do you connect this 161, 184 and 138? How will you connect? Anyone? Cubic polynomial. Hello.
Parabola.
Parabola. Why parabola? How
There
did
is a
you?
UDL.
There is a UDL. Very good, Suraj. So there is a UDL. So these 3 points should be connected by parabolic connection. These 3 points should be connected by parabolic connection. So this will be parabola. This should be connected by parabola. Now, bending moment at B, how much will be bending moment at B? There are 2 values. One is, can you tell me those 2 values bending moment at B? Hello. Why are you not telling me? Bending moment
105.6.
10.6 and 85. Now you can see that 85.6 was from A side, that was before couple, and this after couple is this B side, right? So this 10.5.6 will be from B side. Okay, that's why here it comes like this. Okay, and then comes 85. Actually my diagram is not correctly coming, so you should draw properly, bigger diagram. Okay, here it will be straight line. Okay, here it will be straight line, and then there is a sudden jump. There is a sudden jump and incline a straight line. Okay, how does it will look like? I will draw exaggerated. Here it will be something like this and then like this. Is it clear? So here this is 138.34. This will be 105.6. हा इथं कोकरे सरांच्या इथं लाईट लावून आणि टच कर नको कशाला. 85.6. This will be 85.6 and this is 0. Is it clear? This is how you will have to draw. So all the values are positive. Draw it properly. In my case, my board is small. समजलं का? काय शंका आहे का? Can someone tell me why there is a sudden jump here? कशामुळे आली आहे ती sudden jump?
There is a movement couple.
Very good. When there is a movement couple, if you go back and refer that table, you will see that there will be always sudden jump. In GATE question paper, there will be, you have to draw from SFD, BMD back this load diagram. Such question comes in GATE paper. So inverse questions will come. So you should able to understand. And why this parabola is coming? Already someone told that is because of UDL. Clear, hai? Now can you solve one example? It's your turn. Okay. Now I will give you one example for you to solve. Have you finished this diagram? Jalika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it's your turn. You have to solve one. I will give you example. Let's make some example. Okay, let us give some symmetric structure. Or not, I'm not happy with symmetry. Like, let's say 30 kilonewton. Here there is a 50 kilonewton. And here this is, let's say 20 kilonewton per meter. This is 5 meter. This is 2 meter. This is 3 meter. A for apple, B for baby, C for cat, D for dog. Okay. Draw SFD BMD for the load diagram shown in the figure below. Write down. Question will come for 9 mark. How much time you want? 15 minutes? Is it good? समजला का प्रॉब्लेम? काय शंका आहे का? कुठलं डायमेन्शन राहिलंय का? Is there anything missing? शुभम दळवी समजलं का? डायग्राम समजली का? ड्रॉ करता SFD BMD. Okay, draw it fast. चला तुम्ही ड्रॉ करून तुमच्या व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप वरती टाका. जे फास्ट पहिलं ड्रॉ करतंय. फक्त शेवटची डायग्राम टाकायची. सगळ्या किमती टाकून. आपल्याकडं 11:14 झालेले आहेत. We will give 15 minute time. Maybe if required 20. पहिला कुणाचं उत्तर येईपर्यंत. शेवटच्या SFD BMD चा फोटो काढायचा आणि आपल्या SYB टेकच्या ग्रुप वरती टाकायचा. Can you do that? And then I can share everyone here that photograph. Do that. समजली का डायग्राम? कुणाला काय शंका आहे का? कारण मी म्यूट वर जाणार आहे. You will not able to talk with me. Any problem about this diagram? Okay, I assume no.
कुणाचे रिॲक्शन काढून झाले असेल तर टाकू शकता चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये. आपल्या एव्हरीवन साठी टाका, मला टाकू नका, म्हणजे तुमच्या मित्रांना कळेल उत्तर काय आलंय, क्रॉस व्हेरीफाय करू शकता. आरे आली असेल तर आरे टाका, आरडी आली असेल तर आरडी टाका. आरे किती आलं? एनीवन गॉट आन्सर आरे? चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये एव्हरीवन साठी उत्तर टाका. ओके, 104 मिळालं निकिताना. अजून कुणाचं आलंय का आरे? कन्फर्म करा दुसरे. स्नेहलना पण आलं, व्हेरी गुड. 104 बरोबर आहे ह्याचा अर्थ. आरडी, हाऊ मच इज आरडी? आरबी का आरडी? आरडी म्हणतोय ना आपण, आरडी. आरडी 76 आलेला आहे. ठीक आहे, निकिताचं आणि स्नेहलचं दोघींचं पण आलेलं आहे. गुड. कंटिन्यू. Start calculating SF values. SF at A, SF at B, SF at C, SF at D. And between B and C, you may get value as a 0. May, I don't know. कुणाला काय शंका असेल तर चॅट मध्ये मला पर्सनल टाका किंवा जनरल टाका, मी तुम्हाला उत्तर देईन. अदर्स कंटिन्यू. 5 मिनिट राहिलेत. जर कुणाचं उत्तर आलं नाही अजून 5-6 मिनिट वाढवू आपण. कंटिन्यू. एव्हरीवन प्लीज प्रॅक्टिस.
किती राहिलं? झालं का SFD कॅल्क्युलेशन? Okay, continue BM calculation fast. Another 5 minutes, 10 minutes I'll give. Maybe 11:40. Anyone finished SFD BMD? They can take picture of SFD BMD and send on WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp group, so that everyone will come to know. Another 4 minutes, and then I'm going to solve this quickly. Okay, have you finished? Or shall I start solving?
Who gave of their traditional profession and took to arms, successfully establishing a kingdom in Karnataka and Rajasthan, respectively administration in the kingdom. Many of these new kings adopted high sounding titles such as Maharaja,
Sanket has shared maybe.
Great King, Overlord, Copper King, Tribhuvanachan,
SFD he has shared.
Chakravartin,
Okay, good.
Lord of Three Worlds.
Let me see 104 minus
and so
50,
on. However,
54.
each period of such
Then
kings,
comes here 40,
they often
76,
shared
0.
power with the Samantha.
Looks good. So yes, Sanket, good.
With the association
So you have
of
not
religious
marked the
leaders
distance from
from
B to towards C where that SF is becoming 0. That part is only missing.
In each of these states, resources were obtained from the producers. These peasants, cattle keepers, artisans who were often
persuaded म्हणजे my पीछा करने. Okay. Maybe by the time I will first calculate SF values quickly. So I guess you have calculated reactions. So I will save time, and reaction calculation I will not do. So this reaction is 104, right? And this one is 76, right? So that much you have already done. So I will skip that step, and then we will calculate SF at A will be how much? SF at A will be SF at A will be equal to 104. I'm going to step 2 directly, right? SF at B will be how much? 104 minus 50 is equal to, how much is that? 104 minus 50 is equal to 54 kilonewton. Then SF at C, SF at C is equal to 54 minus how much? 20 into 5. So it will come as a 54 minus 100. So it comes as a minus 46. Okay. It comes as a minus 46. Okay. And then SF at now between B and C, it's a positive to negative. Somewhere it should be 0. So we'll find out 0 SF point. 0 SF point will be at X from B. Okay. So then what will happen is it will have 54 minus 20 into X is equal to 0. So X is equal to 54 by 20 is equal to 54 by 20 is equal to 2.7. So then once you get that point, we found SF at C also. That was before UDL. So you can say, or before point load, before PL. Okay. So again, there are SF at C after PL, that is after point load, minus 46 minus 30 will be how much? Minus 46 minus 40, it will be minus 76. And then SF at D will be equal to minus 76 plus 76 is equal to 0. So these are SF calculations. So quickly we will move on to BM calculations. So those who have not understood, others, those who have understood, continue. They can put me the answer in the chat window. Sorry, in WhatsApp chat window you cannot paste. Okay, how to get BM? BM we will start from D, right? So BM calculations we will do. BM calculations. BM calculations. Okay, BM calculations. Okay, BM calculations. So how do you do BM calculations? BM at D will be, bending moment at D will be equal to 0. Now BM at C, bending moment at C, we will take bending moment at C. BM at C will be equal to how much? So we'll take section this side. So it will become 76 into 3. 76 positive because pushing upward. It is pushing upward. So it will be 76 into 3 is equal to 76 into 3 is equal to 228 kilonewton meter. Okay, and then we will go to now maximum BM point, somewhere between B and C. Max BM. where it will be max BM, there is a 76, and then there is a 30 kilonewton. This is 3 meter, and from B side we have calculated here, right? So 0 SF point from B side, how much it was? 2.7. So if you see from this side you have 2.7. So this side how much it will be there? 5 minus 2.7, it comes as a 2.3. So it comes 2.3. So you can mark here 2.7 and 2.3. 5-10 मिनिट संपते मग तू इथं बस शकतो. 2.7 and 2.3. So this will come as a 2.3, and here there is a UDL also. Here there is a UDL also. So max BM is equal to how much? Plus 76 into 3 plus 2.3, 5.3, minus 30 into 2.3 minus UDL. How much is UDL? UDL is 20 kilonewton meter. So it comes as a 20 into 2.3 into 2.3 by 2. And this comes as a, can you find out this value and tell me? किती येते value हे? (76 into 5.3 minus 30 into 2.3 minus 20 into 2.3 into 2.3 into. How much value this you get? Max BM. Calculate and tell me. Anyone? $280.9, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
280.9 kilonewton meter. Okay, so that is a maximum bending moment. Now we will go to BM at B. So BM at B is equal to how much? So we can take section to this side. So if we take section to this side, so it will come as a 104, and this will be 2. So it will come as a plus. 104 is pushing upward. So it will be 104 into 2. How much is 104 into 2 is equal to 208, right? 208 kilometer. Okay, and then BM at A will be equal to obviously 0. BM at A is equal to 0. Any doubt about bending moment calculations? किती जणांचे आले हे calculation? You can raise hand in your participants window. किती जणांचे उत्तर बरोबर आले BM चे? ठीक आहे, सूरज, संकेत, अजून कोणाचे आलेत? You can raise hand. कोणाचे बरोबर आलेत? एखाद्याला हँड रेज करणार असलं तर अनम्यूट करा. नाव लेट्स ड्रॉ क्विकली दी डायग्राम, SFD BMD diagram, right? So maybe now you have to unmute and help me to give the values, right? I don't have the this thing. Okay, maybe I will draw these yellow lines, so straight lines. Okay, so quickly now even we'll draw the horizontal lines. Okay, so How much is SF value here? 104, right? 104. And thereafter it continues straight line, suddenly 50 down. 104 minus 50, how much it comes? 104 minus 50, it comes 54, right? It's down here to 54. Okay, and then SF value at C, how much is SF value at C? That is 54 minus 100. So it is minus 46 here, right? So this will be minus 46. Okay. And then further minus 30 down. So 30 down, minus 76. So 76. And continued here. And then it becomes 0. So this is positive, this is negative. करेक्ट किती जणांची आली डायग्राम अशी इकडची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे हाऊ मच इज दिस व्हॅल्यू आय फॉरगॉट कॅन यू हेल्प मी आय हॅव टू मूव द स्क्रीन इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट दिस व्हॅल्यूज कॅन यू 2.7 राईट 2.7 and 2.3 right okay then comes BMD. Let's draw the BMD diagram. Bending moment at D will be how much? 0. Bending moment at D is equal to 0. Bending moment at C is how much? 76 into 3. That's 228, right? Bending moment at C is 228. So it's an incline at a straight line. Okay. Bending moment at this point. How much is bending moment here? Maximum bending moment. Kiti आलाय? 280.9. Maximum bending moment is 280.9. That's a 280.9. Okay. And then bending moment at B. How much is bending moment at B? Bending moment at B. Bending moment at B is 208, right? 208. So it's a 208. So somewhere smaller than this. So it's a 208. So connection between 228, 280 and 208. What will be the connection? कसं कनेक्ट करायचं?
पॅराबोला.
पॅराबोला. का पॅराबोला? तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल UDL असल्यामुळे हे पॅराबोलिक असणार. And thereafter 208 to 0 connection कसं असेल?
Incline.
Inclined straight line. Straight line is important. So inclined straight line. So if your parabola is not clear, you can write parabolic. And here you can write maybe straight line. Yes, straight line. Straight line. Okay, that's it. Any doubt about this problems? So we have 5 minutes. So maybe you start putting attendance. If anyone of you have any question, if not, then what we will do is we'll give one problem. You can maybe take screenshot also if you want. We will solve this problem tomorrow, right? This second one, not first one. I'm sorry. Can I move? Okay. Can you take screenshot of this second problem on your mobile? You will have answer also, and try this problem. Okay, if you can solve. Otherwise, tomorrow morning we'll start with